Hey, welcome to my channel. Let's get straight to the video. Okay, so with this outfit, I have a houndstooth blazer and a dress underneath the shirt. I didn't have a skirt, so I just threw that on. And y'all, I want y'all to check out these earrings. I got them when I was in Dallas a couple of months ago visiting, and I absolutely love them. I got a bunch of accessories out there, but yeah, I got these from Dallas. Now the necklaces, I do not remember where I got them from, but they're super cute with this outfit. And did you peep out the love in one of my necklaces? I thought that would match, you know, Loverboy himself. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, oh, and the shoes. I couldn't figure out which one, so you let me know what you think. Okay, for this outfit, I put on a sequin skirt that flares out below the knee and has a little split on the side a little bit. And for my accessories is this copper purse that I got when I was thrifting one day, and I love it so much. And I kept the earrings on. Oh, and I didn't talk about the bracelets that I have on too, but yeah, check those out, y'all. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love these giraffe print pants. Oh, I love these so much. I think this might be my favorite one for this shirt. Like, I really like this. I switched the other earrings with these gold hoops. They're really thick in person. They're super cute. And I left the rest of the accessories on, the necklaces and the bracelets. This is definitely my favorite. And for the last look, as you can see, it's very casual. I just added the gold chain belt with the jeans, and I kept the other accessories on. And yeah, that's about it. It's pretty cute. I like this one too. Thanks for watching.